Hey y'all, it's Jade Nadari. Today I'm doing a quick nighttime routine. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so like I said earlier, this routine is a quick nighttime routine. This is for after school, after work, when you just do not have all day to be doing all the extra. So I'm starting off with my favorite Curology products. At this point, Curology just sponsor me at this point. I've been using y'all forever. But this is all the stuff that I use for my oral routine, oral hygiene. If you want to see the exact products that I'm using, make sure to watch my video that I posted 2 weeks ago on my hygiene shopping must-haves for this fall season. But I just start off by washing my face, and I always use my mouthwash while I'm washing my face because I just feel like that forces me to just make sure I'm doing my mouthwash longer. But I use my Curology. Everything is set up for you. That's why I love Curology. But I'm not going to get too in depth about that because sponsorship coming soon. Like I said, Curology, hit me up. Disregard the blurriness. I promise it will not be like this for the whole video. But yeah, while you're here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want a longer video of my hygiene and self-care, then comment down Sunday candy below, and then I'll do a Sunday long self-care routine. But now I'm just washing everything off, and I use a paper towel because I just do not feel like waiting for all that. I use floss picks instead of actual like floss, just because I've never ever just did that before. I don't know, I'm sorry. Baking soda is the key to teeth whitening without using strips, so that's what I use. Baking soda on top of my toothpaste. As you can see, I kind of made a mess, but I use toothpaste afterwards. And I heard this thing that you're not supposed to like rinse your mouth afterwards, just like keep the toothpaste lingering in there, you know. Now it's time for my shower routine. I'm switching out this Dial soap for my Dr. Bronner soap that I bought at Target. Of course, I use a towel mat, turn it on my water, and now it's time to do the shower routine. I first go in as a pre-wash with my Dr. Bronner. This is the baby soap, nothing too harsh, just because this is my first time using it and I didn't know how I would react to it. I have sensitive skin. I can tell y'all now that I didn't have any crazy reactions from the Dr. Bronner soap, so if you do have sensitive skin out there, know that you'll be a-okay. Unless your skin is even more sensitive than mine, then I don't even know what to tell you. Now I'm going to go in with my loofah to do my body wash. I use this Dove soap. This loofah is a little bit too rough on my underarms. When I say I have sensitive skin, I mean that. Like, I washed my underarms with this and I had like some type of mark on there, so I would not use this under my arms. And this is also from Target. I just use my regular towel for that. But don't think I'm washing my body this quick. I'm just not finna show y'all everything. I'm just gonna show y'all the arm. But now we're gonna go in with this Curology. This is for any body acne you might have. Sometimes I get a little bit of acne, chest acne, so I got this from Curology to help with that. As you can see, this is how much I use, and I just rub that on my chest and my back. But now I'm done in the shower. Again, if you want a long routine, then just comment down Sunday routine, Sunday candy, and let me know. I love a good matching set of pajamas. That is my go-to. So I'm putting on a matching set of PJs. I just recently got me some slippers from Kohl's, and I realized again that I don't like house shoes. I like slippers because house shoes just make my feet way too sweaty and hot, so I'll probably take those back. But after I get out the shower, I do my moisturizing routine. I'm going in with all of my lotions. Again, everything can be found in my last video. This is my moisturizer that I use at night from Curology. And I love this headband. I got it from some department store, but I love headbands. And I'm using my aluminum deodorant. Here's my review. I'm not a big fan of this deodorant. Like I told y'all in my last video, I use men's deodorant. Like it needs to be heavy, hefty, but it's okay. Then I go in with Vaseline. Sorry again that it's so blurry. It's because my arm is in the view, but it'll be fixed eventually. I go in with lotion first and then oil. The oil doesn't get on my bed sheets or anything like that. It's getting cold outside, so that means the skin is getting drier. So make sure you're putting on your lotions, your oils, your moisturizers, everything. I even put a little bit of oil on like the creases of my nose just because that part feels like it's always extra dry. But that concludes my nighttime routine. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.